Top 7 Best Drone Under $1,000 in 2022. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together the list of options that will meet the need of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or particular use, we have got you covered. For more information, I have put links of products in the description. Make sure to check it out. Like the video, comment, don't forget to subscribe, and let's get started. Number 7. Unique Mantis G. The Unique Mantis G is a really cool party trick voice activation. The drone is compact, easy to transport, easy to fly, produces decent 4K video, and is overall pleasant to fly. Full flight features are locked to the controller mobile app, but you can perform some basics by speaking into the remote. As much as we like the Unique Mantis G, it's hard to find. MSBR is a little overpriced for the camera output, and the camera does not keep up with drones of similar price. That said, we had more fun flying the Mantis G than most other drones out there. Number 6. Power Vision Power Egg. The Power Vision Power Egg X is a versatile machine. The detachable propeller arms are ideal for portability and allow the drone to easily be used in hand or attached to a tripod. The combined object tracking and very active camera gimbal make the Power Egg X an effective camcorder. When the clouds are not cooperating, the optional rain shell makes the drone practically waterproof. The ability to use the Power Egg X as a camcorder might be this machine's saving grace. We enjoy using this drone for ground operations, but it's evident that Power Vision is still new to flight. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini. The DJI Mavic Mini was DJI's first GPS-enabled viable camera drone that weighed less than 250 kg. The compact size is ideal for portability and does not need to be registered before you fly. The Mavic Mini slings a 2.7K camera, which is superb for simple hobby tasks, but obviously does not stand up to the more expensive camera drones out there. As the most affordable camera drone around, it's hard not to recommend the DJI Mavic Mini. This is a fantastic starter drone. However, if you are willing to save up a little bit more money, the Mini 2 is superior in almost every way. Number 4. Parrot Anaphy. The Parrot Anaphy is a fairly average drone in its segment, but it has one very useful trick. It can point the camera directly upward. This is not wildly useful for shooting nature shots or when tracking an object on the ground, which are typical uses of most drone camera operations, but can be very useful for situational awareness, fun new perspectives, and particularly helpful for inspection tasks. That's the key. This consumer drone is equipped to handle commercial operations. As one of the best alternatives to a Mavic drone in the consumer camera drone market, we are comfortable recommending the Parrot Anaphy. We think the price is a little high for the camera quality, but the ability to point upwards is invaluable for some situations. Number 3. DJI Mavic Air 2. The DJI Mavic Air 2 fills an important gap in the DJI lineup of Mavic drones. In almost every way is a middle ground between the Air 2S and the Mini 2. Top-notch battery life lets you enjoy the 4K 48MP camera. Though we recommend shooting 12MP bin images, we very much enjoyed flying the Mavic Air 2. It uses a popular high-end smartphone camera, so the images and video from the sky are good, but have predictable limitations. The battery life makes this drone one of the most fun to fly. A few extra minutes doesn't sound like much, but it's worth it. Thing is, the Air 2S is far superior, and the Mini 2 is close enough for far less money. We want to recommend you buy the Mavic Air 2. But if you can save up for the Air 2S, you'll be better off. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. The DJI Mini 2 has the potential to be the most popular drone on the market. It's small enough to not require registration, easily packs away for transport, and still rocks a quality 4K camera. Enjoy all the best features of a GPS-enabled camera drone in a package that is easy to manage and has a very reasonable price tag. Simply put, if you cannot afford the DJI Air 2S and you want a camera drone, the Mini 2 is the machine for you. We really enjoy flying Mini 2, but more than that, it's our first choice if we are carefully considering the weight in our backpack. The camera is about as good as the average smartphone, which is good enough for a hobby flight. Number 1. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S is not the best camera drone on the market, but if your budget is $1,000 or less, then this is the drone for you. The 20MP 5.4K camera is unmatched at this price point, and the drone is no slouch either. Enjoy solid flight times, class-leading connectivity range, and the newest versions of several of DJI flight systems. The DJI Air 2S is our favorite camera drone right now. If you have a bigger budget, you can get a better camera drone, but if you're spending $1,000 or less, we know of no better machine on the market today. So guys, that's all for the top 7 best drone under $1,000 in 2022. The links of all products are given in the description, which are updated for the best prices. Subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care. Bye.